It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful. When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say.
Joe, my darling, I am so thrilled to be standing here with you today. I didn't know if marriage was a choice that I would make until I found someone who made me believe in forever. So today I make you a few promises. I promise to show you affection and appreciation. I promise to give you what you need and what you deserve. I promise to be creative and to listen and to cherish the past, to plan for the future, but to live in each moment with you. And I can promise you that because I know that we're destined not just to be okay, but to be great.
It's the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful. Here we stand.
Aarika, you somehow always find the best in people. And you even do that with me, and that's hard sometimes. Especially when I come home from work and I'm wearing what you call my grumpy pants. I understand. You still manage to do it. You've sacrificed so much to make today special for us. Thank you for all you do for me, your warmth, your kindness, and thanks for marrying me.
Beautiful.